Hey guys, so I am super excited to be filming this right now. As you can tell from the title, I got another Stitch Fix box, and I haven't done this since probably the last time I put up a video of it. I think the New Year's one might have been the last one that I ever got. Stitch Fix, totally not sponsored. Obviously I have like 3.5 subscribers, but Stitch Fix is this really cool kind of like monthly subscription box. It doesn't have to be monthly though, but it's just something that I found through YouTube. I've seen other people do it and I really enjoy it. It's a little bit, it can be on the pricey side, depending on like what you might consider pricey. For me, it's a little expensive, so I only do it like once every blue moon, but it's pretty cool. You get like your own personal stylist. They have a style profile where you can like show them what you like, and now they even have on the app where you can rate, like they'll show you like a specific piece of clothing and you can like mark whether you'd wear it or not. So it should be super personalized to me, I hope, because I did do some of the things where I rated pieces of clothing before they even started preparing this. And the whole purpose of this box was, I think I mentioned in a past video, but I was going to go to Europe at the end of September on the 27th, but some stuff happened. Don't really want to get into it. Basically, someone's very seriously ill right now and may pass away, so ended up just canceling the trip for now. I'm gonna go back at some point in the future, but for now, luckily I bought the insurance on my plane ticket, so just putting a claim for that, so hoping I get the money back for my flight and everything. But otherwise, really wasn't too expensive. The main plane ticket there and back was what I'm hoping to get my money back on, but the rest of the stuff that I had booked wasn't really too bad yet. So neither here nor there, but basically when I requested the Stitch Fix box, I put in my little comment section that I just wanted some cute clothes for Europe. So whatever I have in here, obviously I will not be wearing in Europe, but I'm still hopeful that it'll be some really cute stuff. And you know, whenever I do go back, maybe depending on what's in here, maybe I'll bring it with me. Let me grab a knife so I can open it. I thought I had one. What do I do with it? Ignore the fact that I chose the biggest knife in my house to open this, but it was all I could find right now. I'm gonna end up cutting myself on camera, and that's gonna be really unusual. Alright, I'm so excited for this. Like, I've been waiting 2 weeks now for it, I think, something like that. So I've been like super excited. Oh god, I've been super excited to get this. Okay. Oh. Also, do you guys like this shirt? It's my boyfriend's. I bought it for him, but he forgot a bunch of his stuff here the last time he visited, so. Alright, so I really like how they package the box. Everything's like nicely wrapped in here. They have your little return bag, so if there's anything that you don't want, you can send it back to them in this bag right here. And so the first thing they look at is they always include like a little letter, and it's personalized to you. And then they have like the pieces of clothing that are in here. I think it's this one. Nope, it's this one. So I'm not gonna look at this right now just because I wanna like kind of be surprised of what's in here. Oh, I thought there was a personalized letter. Did they stop doing that? Maybe it isn't here. I'm just gonna try to not look at what's, okay, it's right here. I'm trying to not look at what's actually in the subscription. Okay. So it says, Bruce, go lay down, babies. My dog's right here, I'm sorry. He might be, don't hit the camera. Go lay down. You're cute, I love you. Okay. So I've done 8 of these. I think I've only filmed 2 of them, I wanna say. Like the first like 6 I didn't film, but the 2 that are on here, I believe are the last 2 that I ever got. Sorry about my animals are gonna be making noise during this. So it says, hi Kayla, welcome back to Stitch Fix for fix number 8. I'm excited to be your stylist today and have put together a few items that would be great for your Europe trip. Sad face. I know you were hoping to have us send the booties and cardigan back from your last fix. I couldn't find the exact ones, but I found similar. I don't remember what I wanted, but oh, I do remember. That's funny because I actually got something similar for Christmas for my boyfriend last year. Well, not booties, but the cardigan. So that's really cool that they kind of look back on like comments I wrote in last fixes and they try to send me similar stuff. She says, try pairing, well I'm assuming this is girl, yeah, Molly. She says, try pairing the following outfit together and use the pieces individually to mix and match. First up, pair the STS blue denim with the skies There's a typo in here, but it says first step, pair the STS blue denim with the skies and, she put R, but and blue cold shoulder top. Add the Andrew Marc Performance Duster cardigan for warmth, and then pair the outfit with the Tahari Suede bow booties in navy. Finally, crossbody bags are always best for international travel. So just throw on the Urban Expressions clutch with your removable crossbody strap and you are ready to go. Enjoy your fix. Can't wait to hear what you think. XO Molly. Okay, I'm sweating. It's really hot in here. I don't know if my air conditioner is not working, but I guess I will start. I don't know where to start. I will start with what's wrapped in paper. And I just saw something else in there that was cute. Okay, I'm so excited for this, guys. The real test is trying this stuff on because, like, you know, you rank like if you would wear something or not, but a lot of us don't really know until we try stuff on, right? Because of our body shapes. Unless you like try on a lot of clothes and know like what works on you and what doesn't. Sometimes when you're ranking these things, it's like, I feel like I would wear that, but would it actually look cute on my body type? I don't really know. So, ooh. So the first thing, what do we have going on? Okay, here we go. I was like, I'm confused. This is actually adorable. I'm so excited. I put in my profile, I love lace, I love like floral stuff, I just like really feminine. Usually I'm more of like a black and red, or like pretty much black paired with any color type of person, but like black and red are my favorite colors to wear. But I think I would definitely wear this. I don't know if it's big or not. It looks big, but that might just be the cut of it, so hopefully it fits. I mean, you put your sizes and everything in there. Like, I love the lace on this, so I'm super excited to try this on. I'm gonna do this as a try-on haul for you guys, but since it sounds like it's an outfit, I might just put on the whole outfit for you together, and then let you know what I like and don't like. And this must be the cardigan. Oh! They even got the long one. That was what I wanted. I mean, my boyfriend got me, I have one that's very similar to this right now. So I don't know. Mine doesn't have a hood on it though. I love that it has a hood. So we'll see when I try it on if I decide I want that as well. And then the next thing we have are just some, oh, these are adorable. Some jeans, and you know how I love my ripped jeans. I get kind of bored with just regular jeans, and I usually like skinnier type jeans, so these are perfect. I would definitely wear these. Super excited about that. And then, I already see it, so I gotta pull it out. Oh my god. I love this. This is such a cute purse. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with this. It's so cute. Oh my god. I'm actually so excited to put on this outfit right now. Alright. The last thing will be the booties. So, oh my god. I'm so excited. Dude. I love this. These are so... I'm actually really sad I'm not going to Europe now. But these are nice shoes. These are really nice shoes. So with Stitch Fix, you can pick and choose what items you want to keep. So of all of them, which ones you want, which ones you're going to get rid of and return. If you buy all of them, they give you 20% off everything. So even though like the net worth of all of these is $314, oh sorry, you get 25% off. So even though all of these together are worth $314, if I buy all of them together, it's gonna be $78.50 off. And they subtract your styling fee, which is just like the 20 bucks that you pay to get the box. If you buy any clothes, they like subtract that from the total cost. So basically, if I were to buy everything, it's $215.50. So I'm gonna go try all of this on, and afterwards I'll explain to you guys what I'm keeping and what I'm not. obsessed. I love this outfit. It's so weird. This is not something I would normally pick out for myself. I'm usually just very into like darker colors, and I mean sometimes I'll brighten it up, but like this shirt is something that I would never pick out for myself. I love the lace on it. When I first put it on, I was like, it's a little weird. I kind of feel like a doily or something. But dude, I think it's adorable. I think it works. I love the sleeves on it. I love like the shoulder and like, I don't know. I'm obsessed with the whole thing. I love the outfit. I love how it looks together. I think it's really pretty, and I think maybe if I had the right like necklace to go with it too, it would just be amazing. So I'm gonna get the whole outfit, even though I already have a cardigan that's very similar. I mean, you can never have too many, and if one's dirty, I can wear the other one, and one has a hood, and it's still a better deal to buy all 5 things than to take one off. Like if I took one off, I wouldn't get that 25% off. It would actually end up costing me more. So because the cardigan, I guess I should tell you guys the prices of everything, huh? So the cardigan is $58, and I'm saving $78 by getting this. So literally if I took off the cardigan and got the rest of it, I'd actually be losing 20 bucks. So it's worth it to get it. And so the booties, which I don't know how well you could see in the video, I'm sorry, but the booties are $99. Woo. The top I'm wearing is $54. The little clutch bag thing is $44. The jeans I'm wearing are $59, and the cardigan is $58. So altogether it comes out to $314, minus $78, minus $20, so $215.50, which for like all these clothes really isn't like that ridiculous of a price, you know? Like that's pretty, I feel like, typical if you were to go out and buy these things in a store or find things similar to it. I feel like you'd still be spending around that price. And can I just say that these booties are the most comfortable things ever. And it's weird because I usually wear black shoes or like cute black heels or black booties to go with everything because it's just easy for me to match black with everything. But navy blue I feel like is a good next step after black because I still feel like there's a lot of stuff that I could match with these. So I'm excited to kind of like mix and match with some of the rest of my wardrobe and see what I can come up with. And yeah, so this was a great fix, 10 out of 10. I am getting everything, and I don't know what I'm gonna do my next one just because I can't spend $200 every single month on clothes, but maybe in a few months I'll do another one. So I'm excited. Now I know what I'm gonna wear when I go see my boyfriend again. I'm gonna wear this outfit and hopefully he's like, dang, and I'm gonna be like, yeah, Stitch Fix. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, but I might post 2 videos this weekend, or I might save the other one for next weekend. I haven't decided yet. I know I'm posting this one this weekend for sure, but I have the craziest story time of something that happened to me last night with some footage that I took. Basically, I have some like kind of graphic footage of cops beating the crap out of a naked dude that basically was either drunk and or on drugs and crashed through my apartment complex last night. It's a crazy story, so if you guys want to hear more about it, subscribe to me so that you can catch that story time. Don't know when I'm going to post it yet, but once I get all the footage together and sit down and film that, I will put it up for you guys. So yeah, if it's not up by like Sunday night or Monday, then assume that it's going to be coming out next weekend. So make sure you guys subscribe so that you can catch that one as well. So yes, I will see you in my next video. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.